Hello, welcome back to Gen C, where today we are going to show you guys how to be able to connect to our new PRO RGB app, which controls some of our chasing RGB function products. Let me show you the app. You can download it on the Google Play Store, or you can download it on the Apple Store, which is right here, PRO RGB. Let me show you how that looks like again. It is right here, as you can see, PRO RGB. You can click on that. Obviously you have to have your GPS on and you have to have your Bluetooth on. Now you don't have to actually pair it in the Bluetooth section. You just have to turn on your Bluetooth and you'll be able to pair it right here within the app itself. As you can see on the right hand side here, the connection is connected. If it was broken, then you'd know it's not connected yet. Now what's cool about this app is obviously you can change the colors. You can do your own color here by choosing holding this down, and it essentially allows you to go to this wheel and choose your own color, and then if you press OK, it automatically places that color here. Also, you have your modes, so you can choose the different modes by sliding this back and forth, or you can just kind of go up and down right here for selection. Brightness is not really something that actually works in the mode section as much, but it does work when you're just on a solid color. Speed definitely works. It allows you to reduce the speed of the function and also increase the speed of the function. And we can kind of show you how that looks like here in just a second. Go back to here. We got our camera. So we have this right now on our Jeep. Obviously this function is way too fast, so what I'm gonna go here is go back, slow down this function, and then go over here, and as you can see, it's a little bit more consistent. Now let's change the function. Let's find something pretty unique, and so we have this function right here. Now you don't see any kind of activity. It's very slow, so that means you know that you have to increase the speed of this function, and this is called red blue turn. And go back. Now you can see. Now these are full chasing RGB headlights with a bi-LED projector, low beam and high beam, with a phenomenal cutoff line. And yeah, I mean, that's basically it. The app is very simple to use, and it is definitely